Looking for a quick and easy wooden Christmas tree project? I've got you covered. All you need is some scrap wood and just some of my favorite work pro tools. I'm going to be making two types of trees using 1x4s and 2x4s, cut down to these measurements. All the angles will be cut to 30 degrees. I used my brand new Work Pro Tools handheld circular saw to make all of my bevel cuts. The best part is that this circular saw hooks right up to my shop vac, so I won't be left in a dust storm after I make all of my cuts. Each tree will use 8 pieces of scrap wood. Learn from my mistake and sand all the pieces before you assemble them. Start by assembling the top of the wooden Christmas tree pieces together. Use adhesive and secure the smaller piece to the larger piece. Use clamps to secure the pieces together, and then just make your way down the Christmas tree. The pieces should overlap the piece in front of it by about an inch. Finally, you can go ahead and attach the bottom 2 pieces. For the 1x4s, I secured everything with finishing nails, and for the 2x4s, I used 2.5-inch wood screws. Now that the tree is assembled, fill all the nail and screw holes with wood filler. Lightly sand and you're ready to paint or stain. I went with my favorite rosemary green paint, but you could also use dark stain for a rustic look. Now it's time for the finishing touches. I used these battery-operated LED lights, secured them with hot glue to the bottom of the tree, and then just wrapped them around the tree. These wooden Christmas trees are perfect for outdoor or indoor Christmas decor. And look how magical they look all lit up. The perfect use for scrap wood and just a few of my favorite Work Pro tools.